Hey everyone, in today's video, which is part 3 of my 4-part black and white boho series, I am going to be making a candle holder. I started off by using this small vase from the Dollar Tree, and off camera I unraveled my white nautical rope from the Dollar Tree so that I ended up with 3 pieces, and then I'm just going to take one of those 3 pieces and begin wrapping it around my vase until my base is completely covered in nautical rope. For step 2, I start with some black acrylic paint and a sponge, and at the bottom of the vase I make 2 very thick lines around the entire vase, and then I go ahead and do the same thing to the top of the vase. But for the middle, I kind of just get the acrylic paint on my sponge and just dab it all around to my liking, but I fill in the middle completely with black acrylic paint, but not very heavy, just kind of dabbed onto the nautical rope. For step 3, I took this painted black wooden circle that I already had from a previous project, and I started dabbing it with white paint, but then as I continue to do it, I decided that I don't really like it because I don't like how bright the white acrylic paint is compared to the white nautical rope. So then in the final product, you'll see that I just went back to a flat black acrylic top. For step 4, I'm just going to add some hot glue to the top of the vase and then glue the vase to the middle of the wooden circle. For step 5, I wanted a little bit more height to my candle holder, so I took the same nautical rope and wrapped it around the top of the wooden circle that I just glued on 2 times and then glued it in the back. you for watching today's video. I hope it leaves you inspired to create some home decor of your own. Be sure to hit that like button and come back and join me for the last part of my black and white boho series. And lastly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Bye everyone!